Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking food logo for your restaurant, hotel, lodge, or cafe. It's really simple, and you don't need extensive experience in graphic design or creativity. Canva offers a wide range of templates created by professionals. You just need to customize them as needed. So make sure to create your Canva account. And once your account is set up, this is the interface you'll see. Next, go to the search bar and type Food Logo, or even Restaurant Logo, like that. You'll find lots of professional and attractive logo options. Click Show More to explore and find the one that fits your needs. Just customize it. Maybe this one looks good and really attractive. Explore your options, and once you find your preferred design or template, just customize that template. After customizing, you can see that I'm able to edit anything I want, like this. And I can change anything, like this. If you want to change the text font, go to the Select Text section, and then head to Fonts and select like this. If you want to update all the text at once, just like this, you can resize and adjust it as needed, like this. If you want to change the background, just go to the Background section. And if you want to add an image background using your own image, go to Upload. Upload. And download it from your computer. After uploading, your image will appear here. Just drag it like this. To set it as the background, move it behind. Move it to the full background and maybe make it transparent. Similarly, maybe I'll add, or if you want to use any images from Canva's library, just go to Elements and search for an image. For example, I'm going with a burger and then go to Photos. Maybe I want this as a background, but if it doesn't look quite right, just try different images and pick the one that looks best. I will go with that one. This one looks good. If you want to reposition it, just double-click it, and there you go. That looks good. All right, after all modifications and once your design is ready, make sure to check everything before you export. To export your logo, go to the Share option. There is a Download option. If you want to download it as a PNG, JPG, PDF, every format is available. If you want to download a video of your logo, just go to the MP4 video option, and you can download it as well. So yeah, just download in whatever file format you need. Download it. And now, you're ready to use your own logo from Canva anywhere you want. That's a simple way to create your food logo in Canva in just a few minutes and steps, without needing any previous skills, information, or experience. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about this video or about Canva, comment below. I'll answer all your questions. And I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you have any confusion about this video or any Canva-related video, comment below. I will answer all your questions. And I'll see you in the next video.